Welcome to our live streaming room. Okay, look at the picture. These are our raw materials, and we can use our oil press to get edible oil. There are 8 types of oil presses here. The oil presses are divided into conventional oil presses and palm oil presses. The first 5 are conventional oil presses, and the last 3 are palm oil presses. The first type of oil process is the hydraulic oil press. This equipment is suitable for more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. It has the advantages of small footprint, wide application, low investment, and easy operation. The second type is crude oil press machine, which is suitable for more than 30 kinds of oil crops such as peanuts, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and so on, but can't be used for walnut kernels. Its minimum processing capacity is 1.3 tons per day, and its maximum processing capacity is 20 tons per day. Its advantages are wide application, rich automation, low investment, and easy operation. The third type of double screw cold press machine has 4 types, with daily processing capacity of 10 tons, 30 tons, 50 tons, and 100 tons. It's suitable for cold pressing, has a wide range of applications, is automatic, and has the advantage of low residue oil rate. The fourth type is an oil press with a filter, with a minimum processing capacity of 1.3 tons per day, and a maximum processing capacity of 9 to 11 tons per day. Its advantages are wide application range, automation, and low investment. The filter can filter impurities in crude oil to make the oil of better quality. The fifth type is a large oil press with a minimum processing capacity of 9 to 10 tons and a maximum processing capacity of 300 tons per day. It's also suitable for conventional oil crops such as sunflower seeds and peanuts. The advantages of this equipment are automatic, high efficiency, large capacity, and PLC system control. The sixth type of oil press is a palm oil pressing with a processing capacity of 500 kilometers per hour. Is suitable for families, small investors, and enterprises of palm oil production enterprises. Our screw is made of 2CR13 materials, where resistant alloy steel, one-piece casting process, and has a service life of 1,000 hours. Conventional carbon steel has a service life of 1 month. Our emulsion can be used for half a year under normal maintenance. In terms of design, the pressure of our oil press comes from the front screw and the register at the back, which work together to produce extrusion and achieve the best processing effect. In addition, our screws will be polished before leaving the factory to ensure the smoothness of the screw and prevent the screws from being too rough and blocking the materials, which ensure the stability and efficiency of the machine to a certain extent. In addition, we have two power systems, diesel and motor, which can meet the power needs of different regions. Residue oil rate and our machine has been tested many times. The residue oil rate is low, and the integrity of the palm kernel is guaranteed, because once the palm kernel is damaged, palm kernel oil may be produced. Palm oil and palm kernel oil are two completely different oils. After random mixing is called gutter oil, so the integrity of the oil core is very important to ensure the quality of the oil. Recently, this oil press has a discount. If you are interested, please contact us. The seventh is a double screw palm oil press with a processing capacity of 1 ton, 5 tons, 10 tons, and 15 tons per hour. It is suitable for home use, small investors, and large palm oil factories. In terms of materials, our screw presses are all made of 2CR13, where resistant oil steel and one-piece casting technology. They can be used for half a year or even a year with normal maintenance, reducing the labor, material, and time costs required to replace the screw press. The structure is more perfect, with the gearbox combined with a hydraulic pump stationed as a tail to drive the two pressing screws to rotate relative to each other, and the bite mixing plate to discharge oil. The closer to the discharge part, the smaller the blade gap, the greater the pressure, the lower the residue oil rate, and the less likely it is to be blocked. More labor-saving and more conducive to the smooth progress of palm fruit pressing. improve the oil output rate, and ensure your high returns. In terms of details, our hydraulic pump station is button adjustable, more convenient to operate, and uses a hard-toothed reducer with better materials and longer service life. In general, we have made the most reasonable configuration in terms of materials, design, and the service life of your varying parts, which fully meets or even exceeds your needs. Many of our customers say that the use effect will be better than what they bought elsewhere before. The appearance of the oil press is the same, and the problem is only discovered during operation. We have a customer who bought cheap equipment before and later gave us feedback that the equipment could not press out, was blocked, and had a high residue oil rate. After research, we found several details, such as the screw of the oil press. The surface of the screw is not very smooth. After forging it needs to be polished. A smooth contact surface is conducive to oil processing and is not easy to block. Cheap oil presses are not processed after production and are directly installed and sold, which saves process and naturally reduces the cost. Yes, the equipment advantage is high yield and automatic, easy to operate, and can be used in palm oil processing line. The Type 8 palm kernel oil press machine. The capacity is 500 km per hour. Is suitable for home use, small investor, or palm kernel oil mill plant. The equipment advantages are well resistant, automatic, easy to operate, and can be used in palm kernel oil processing line. Our palm kernel press is made of 45 steel, with long service life, stable operation, and extremely low residue oil rate. The operation is also very simple. In addition, the screws of the oil press are polished before leaving the factory, so there will be no blockage or blockage during the processing process. The 8 oil presses are oil-edible oil presses. If you are interested in this, please leave your WhatsApp account and your name, and dedicated business manager will contact you. Yes, hydraulic oil press machine, screw oil press machine. Please look at the picture. This double screw called oil press machine is suitable for seed, peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, sunflower seed, cottonseed, soybean, and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. This oil press machine with filter. This filter is used to remove impurities. This large oil press machine, the same suitable for peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, and so on. The sixth machine. This is small palm oil screw press machine. It's double screw palm oil press machine. Equipment advantage are high oil yield, automatic, easy to operate, and can be used in palm oil pressing line. The palm kernel oil press machine. The shape. Okay, next I will introduce you soybean production line. Soybean processing production line are roughly divided into two types. One is suitable for small processing production line with a daily processing capacity of 1 to 10 tons, which only requires 3 equipment, namely wok, cooker, roaster, conveyor, oil press machine with filter. The other is suitable for medium and large soybean production line with a processing capacity of 10 to 1,000 tons per day. This is a 3-dimension video. This is the overall video of the production line. This is arrow is the direction of the soybeans in the production line. Look at the picture. Left is palm dust collector cyclone. Next, magnetic separator, vibrating secret. Vibrating secret is used to remove impurities, and this toner is used to remove heavy impurities. Cracker, softening pot. Yeah, this is the video. This is the overall video of the production line. Oil press, cooker, it's complete video. This arrow is the direction of the soybeans in the production line. Vibrating secret. This softening part. Flaking row. Oil press. Okay. Let us watch it again. Vibrating screen. Magnetic separator. Cracker. Denoter. Flaking roll. This cooker. Press machine. These two process machines. Clarifying oil tank. Leaf filter. Okay. The vibrating screen. The vibrating screen is used to remove large fiber impurities, such as roots, stems, and leaves in soybeans. Okay. Get the cracker. This is a cracker. There are 4 gears inside. Each speed is different, and the cracking effect is better. 4 gears inside. This is flaking roll. Reduce the pressure on the flaking roll and help to produce oil. Reduce the oil press pressure. This oil press. Soybeans enters the machine and can get soybean crude oil. This is leaf filter. Crude oil enters the machine, and we can get more clear oil. The function is remove small and tiny impurities. Okay, look at the videos of pre-treatment and processing oil plant. Soybeans enter the vibrating circuit through the bucket. This vibrating circuit is used to remove large fiber impurities, such as roots, stems, and leaves in soybeans. It's divided into two layers. The upper layer is used to remove large impurities, and the lower layer is used to remove small impurities. Next, raw materials enters the destoner. The destoner is used to remove the heavy impurities. The plant is a scale plant that can separate heavy impurities and oil through vibration. This is cracker. There are 4 gears inside. Each speed is different, and the cracking effect is better. Next, the broken soybeans enter the softening pot. The softening pot is used to soften soybeans and reduce the working pressure of the flaking roll. The function of the flaking roll is to shorten the oil path and make the soybeans more oily. Next, the soybeans are softened in softening pot, which reduces the pressure on the flaking roll and helps to produce oil. The cooker is used to adjust the moisture and temperature of soybeans before they enter the oil press, reduce the working pressure of the oil press, and increase the oil yield of soybeans. The oil press is a motion control press, and the residual oil rate is about 7%, which is a relatively low residual oil rate. The oil enters a scraper and is sent to the oil tank. The crude oil is then sent to a static sedimentation machine. The oil is then sent to a leaf filter for filtration, removing 99% of the impurities to obtain clean oil. Yes, this is a live feature. Normally, the machine often used in large and or modern production line. Soybean cake will be sent out the factory. Okay. Okay, now I will introduce oil press again. Soybean, rapeseed, peanut, walnut, palm oil, palm kernel oil, corn germ, flaxseed, cottonseed, sunflower seed. They are raw materials. They can get edible oil. We can get edible oil from them. The first type is hydraulic oil press machine. The capacity is 25 to 30 kilo per hour. The 40 to 50 kg per hour, 50 to 60 kg per hour, 70 to 80 kg per hour, suitable for peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, sunflower seed, cottonseed, soybean, and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. The equipment advantage is multi-purpose, small footprint, low investment, and easy to operate. If you are interested in the machine, please leave your personal information, such as your WhatsApp, your phone number. This two-screw oil press machine. The capacity is 1.3 tons per day. 3 tons per day, 3.5 tons per day, 4.5 tons per day, 6.5 tons per day, 9 to 10 tons per day, and 9 to 11 tons per day, and 20 tons per day. The machine is suitable for peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, sunflower seed, cottonseed, soybean, and more than 13 kinds of oil seeds, except for walnut kernel. The equipment advantage is the multi-purpose, automatic, low investment, and easy to operate. The third type is double screw oil cold oil press machine. The capacity is more bigger than last one. The capacity is 10 tons per day, 30 tons per day, and 50 tons per day, and 100 tons per day. The machine is suitable for tea seed, peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, rapeseed, sunflower seed, cotton seed, soybean, and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. The equipment advantages are suitable for cold pressing, multi-purpose, automatic, low residue oil rate. The fourth machine is called oil press machine with filter. Capacity is 1.3 tons per day and 90 to 11 tons per day. The equipment advantages: multi-purpose, automatic, low investment, high oil quality. The fifth type is called large oil press machine. The mean capacity is 9 to 10 tons per day. The maximum capacity is 300 tons per day. It's still suitable for peanuts, flaxseed, sesame, sunflower seed, and so on. The equipment advantages is automatic, high efficiency, large capacity, PLC system control. A small palm oil screw press machine capacity is 500 kg per hour. Is suitable for home use, small investor, palm oil production, business stars. The equipment advantages: low investment, small footprint, easy to operate. The sixth type of oil press of oil press is a palm oil press with a processing capacity of 500 kg per hour. Our screw is made of 2CR13 material, where resistant oil steel, one-piece cutting process, and has a service life of 1,000 hours. Conventional carbon steel has a service life of 1 month. Our machine can be used for half a year under normal maintenance. In terms of design, the pressure of our oil press comes from the front screw and the reducer at the back, which work together to produce, ensure, and keep the best pressing effect In addition, our screw will be polished before leaving the factory to ensure the smoothness of the screw and prevent the screw from being too rough and blocking the material, which guarantees the stability and the efficiency of the machine to a certain extent. In addition, we have two power systems, cell and motor, which can meet the power needs of different regions. Residual oil rate, and our machine has been tested many times. The residual oil rate is low, and the integrity of the palm kernel is guaranteed, because once the palm kernel is damaged, palm kernel oil may be produced. Palm oil and palm kernel oil are two completely different oils. After random mixing, it's called gutter oil, so the integrity of the oil core is very important to ensure the quality of the oil. Recently, this oil press has a discount. If you are interested, please contact us. The seventh machine named is double screw palm oil press machine. The capacity has 1 tons per hour, 5 tons per hour, 10 tons per hour, and 15 tons per hour. It's suitable for home use, small investor, or large-scale palm and palm oil mill plant. Our screw press are all made of 2-13 resistant alloy steel and one piece cutting technology. They can be used for half a year or even a year with normal maintenance, reducing the labor, material, and time costs required to place the screw press. The structure is more perfect. With a gearbox combined with a hydraulic pump station at the tail to drive the two pressing screws to rotate relative to each other, and the bed mixing place to discharge oil. The closer to the discharge part, the smaller the blade gap, the greater the pressure, lower the residual oil rate, and less likely is to blocked, more labor saving, and more conducive to the smooth process of palm fruit processing. It improves the oil output rate and ensure your high returns. In terms of detail, our hydraulic pump station is button adjustable, more convenient to operate, and uses a hard-toothed reducer with better materials and longer service life. In general, we have made the most reasonable configuration in terms of materials design and the service life of your varying parts, which fully meets or even exceeds your needs. Many of our customers said that the use effect will be better than what they bought elsewhere before. The appearance of the oil press is the same, and the problem is only discovered during operation. We have a customer who bought cheap equipment before and later gave us feedback. that the equipment could not press out, be blocked, and had a high residual oil rate. After research, we found several details, such as the screw of the oil press. The surface of the screw is not very smooth. After fogging needs to be polished. A smooth contact surface is conducive to oil processing and is not easy to block. Cheap oil processes are not processed after production and are directly installed and sold, which saves a process and naturally reduces the cost. The eighth type is palm kernel oil press, with a processing capacity of 500 per hour, suitable for home use, small inverters, and palm kernel oil mills. Our palm kernel press is made of 45 steel, with long service life, stable operation, and extremely low residual oil rate. The operation is also very simple. In addition, the screws of the oil press are polished before leaving the factory, so there will be no blockage or during the processing process. The above are all edible oil processes. If you are interested in this, please leave your WhatsApp account and your name. Business or company's business manager will contact you. Next, I will introduce the soybean processing production line. Soybean processing production lines are roughly divided into two types. One is suitable for small processing production lines with a daily processing capacity of 10 tons, which only requires three equipment, namely a wok, roaster, conveyor, and an oil press machine with filter. The other is suitable for medium and large soybean production lines with a processing capacity of 10 to 1,000 tons per day. This is the three-dimensional video. This is the overall video of the production line. Okay. This arrow is the direction of the soybeans in the production line. Vibrating secret detoner. Cracker. Sorting pot. Flaking roll. Cooker. This is cooker. These two oil press. It's a clarifying oil tank. leaf filter. The last machine, the tank, is storage oil tank. The video is soybean pre-treatment and production and processing oil plant. The soybeans enter the fabricating screen through the elevator bucket. This fabricating screen is used to remove large fiber impurities such as roots, stems, and leaves in soybeans. It's divided into two layers. The upper layer is used to remove large impurities, and the lower layer is used to remove small impurities. The next motion is this toner. It's used to remove heavy impurities. This plate is a skew plate that can separate heavy impurities and oils through vibration. This is a cracker. There are 4 gears inside. Each speed is different, and the cracking effect is better. This softening pot. The softening pot is used to soften soybeans and reduce the working pressure of the flaking roll. The function of the flaking roll is to shorten the oil path and make the soybeans more oily. Next, the soybeans are softened in the softening pot, which reduces the pressure. On the flaking roll and helps to produce oil. That's flaking roll. This cooker. The cooker is used to adjust the moisture and the temperature of soybeans before they enter the oil press, reduce the working pressure of the oil press, and increase the oil yield of soybeans. This press machine. The oil press is a mechanical press, and the residual oil rate is about 7%, which is a relatively low residual oil rate. The oil enters the scraper and is sent to the oil tank. The crude oil is then sent to a static sedimentation machine. The oil is then sent to a leaf filter for filtration. The leaf filter can removing 99% of the impurities to obtain clean oil. Okay, this is my totally content of the steaming video.